Do you get paid on an hourly basis? That's a thing of the past now. We may now get paid per minute. Yes, your money will be given to you every minute over the internet. By the way, it will not necessitate any social media involvement or following, nor will it require any selling of surveys or technical expertise. To this day, this is by far the easiest method for newbies to make lots of money online while leaving the work to the professionals. Imagine being your own boss. You'll have all the money in the world as well, and at the same time, in the world to satisfy your necessities. You'll be able to afford to pay your bills, buy your material necessities such as vehicles, houses, and help your family and friends by offering financial support. So, assuming you're a newbie, this option to earn money online will benefit not only you, but also those people around you. So try this new way right now, so I can assist you in making your first possible money online. But if you're not new to this online earning money procedure, I encourage you to give it a shot because, trust me, it'll be as simple as walking your dog in the park. But before we start, if it is your first time at the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So let's get started with the video. First, let's go to Skillshare.com. This site offers a diverse selection of online workshops, video training, and courses. This platform is used by those who want to learn new skills. Customers can enroll in a range of classes and watch a variety of videos on this platform. Now you're probably wondering, how will we make money from this website? And that's exactly what we'll talk about. So now, let's go to this website's homepage and go down to the very bottom where you will see a Become a Teacher under the Teaching section. Click on it and you'll be led to this page where you can create a free account. Become a teacher and start posting videos on this website. And don't worry, you won't have to make any videos because I will show you how to get pre-made videos to upload immediately. It'll be a lot easier than you think, and I'll take you step by step through the process. So that's how teaching on Skillshare.com works. You must first create your first class. After that, you must post videos to this website, and whenever individuals enter and view the video, you will start earning money, which will be paid per minute. Yeah, you heard that right. Again, you will get paid per minute that people view your lessons or courses, and there are so many people who make thousands of dollars a year on this platform simply by posting videos. Moving forward, let's take a look at this section right here. How can I earn money? It basically states that you'll make money through monthly royalties and referral bonuses, depending on the number of minutes people view your videos. Now, there are actually two ways that we can earn money right on this platform. The first one is by uploading these videos or courses to this platform, and the other way is by referring people to the platform. I'll show you that later, okay? Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. So, returning to the home page, all you have to do now is click on this green button right here that says Start a Class. Then you'll be routed to this page where you can upload your video tutorials or courses. But you will not be creating them yourself, so stay tight because I'll show you where you can obtain these done-for-you videos in a minute. Right now, I'll show you a few examples. Now, when I click on this Browse button on the top, click on this Graphic Design category, then you're going to come to this Graphic Design page. And as you can see, there is a massive number of followers in this platform. So it's quite guaranteed that once you upload a video, you will be able to make money in an instant. Now, one example in this video playlist uploaded by a content creator, as you can see here, there are a lot of videos in just one single playlist. videos which ranges from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So right now, as I'm watching this video, the uploader is making money by allowing others to view his videos. To reiterate, this is a fantastic way for you to earn passive income because after you copy and paste the video on here, people from all over the world will be able to watch your videos on Skillshare without you having to promote them. Now to proceed, let's go to renderforest.com. This is the website where we will be able to download and upload free videos to Skillshare.com. This is a well-known business where you may get multimedia collateral created for the time being, though let's simply focus on making videos. All you have to do is click Make Videos at the top of this toolbar and you'll be redirected to this page, which says Video Templates that fit your needs. I do prefer Render Forest because you can get video templates for free that you can choose from. And these aren't just any old videos, they are professionally done and you can have them all with just a few clicks and no investments. If you don't have a personal computer, it's no problem, because you can do this on your phone as well. So that's an absolute plus. With that in mind, I'll advise you to go with whiteboard animation toolkits. Why? Because there are a lot of people who are interested in this niche, which is a plus when you publish it as a training course on Skillshare.com. So all you have to do now is click on this link and you'll be sent to this page which states Whiteboard Animation Toolkit. As you can see, it's being used by a number of individuals in a nutshell. I want to show you how it looks over the whiteboard tutorial video templates, which are identical to what you're seeing. Now all you have to do now is to go to this website and click the Create Now button to be taken to a page where you can start creating a new video. You'll now have 3 alternatives to select from. I'd like you to select Load a Preset so that you can choose a storyline that's already been written for you. And once you've selected the Load a Preset, just click the Create button. Upon clicking that, you'll see this page right here where there are a number of ready-made storylines. There are also many done-for-you videos which you get to choose from and you can download for free through this amazing platform called Render Forest and upload respectively on Skillshare. Moving forward, all that you have to do now is to select a video which you want to upload on Skillshare. You can just click on your preferred video and then view the preview, or if you don't have time for that, you can just click directly on this Use Ready Story button right here. After clicking that, you'll be redirected here to this page where you are able to customize everything on this video. You can add clips, you can change certain text, and literally anything on this video you can customize. To continue, select Style from the buttons above the platform, and then they will present to you with the options such as these, which allow you to customize the look and feel of your animation and video. After that, choose a color from the drop-down menu, and next to the Style button, you can choose the main color of your video right here, or skip this step. If you prefer it as it is, click on the Last Edit button, which is Music. You will then be able to choose the music for your video right here. After you've finished all of that, just click this Preview button and watch the done-for-you video that you've already slightly edited to be clear. Using this website is absolutely free and you can download a lot of materials at renderforest.com. Remember that you may utilize the same process on various templates or videos with different stories to create other instructional videos that you can publish on Skillshare.com. And then you can earn money from those too, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Go ahead and try it out and start earning money for yourself. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.